Well, how to install Couchbox for Ubuntu. Here I have Ubuntu Linux 16.04 with all updates installed. So I'm now in my home folder. I need first to install Git. So install Git. Yes. Well, now I can clone repository git on https gitlab.com couchbox install. That's all. I've cloned the installation scripts. Now I go to Ubuntu. Here they are. So now I need to maybe somehow change my default config. So I'll use not command line interface. I have to edit config sh. Doing it. Base tier pass username. We're gonna install on behalf of other user. Now I am user parallels, but I'll install on the user Couchbox. Our node name, it's important if we have multi-node installation. Our admin user, let's make it, for example, system, and make password 12345. Let's set up CouchDB secret. Better will generate something, but I gonna just do something in this way. CouchDB pods, Redis password, let's set it like this one, x12345, node environment production. We may set up logger DB, so our Couchbox will write logs into logdb. Let's do it. Okay, and our default params and default demo.json. Let's stay them intact. So we're now saving our config, and we can now run install. So go. It will take some time, about maybe 5 minutes, I think. What now happens? Now install scripts. First install, let's see what they do. They first install Node.js, then CouchDB 1.6.1 is installed, then CouchDB is configured, then Redis is installed, then Redis is configured, then we install in Couchbox and all necessary libs, for example, sendmail, and a lot of Node.js libs. Then we configure Couchbox, then we install Nginx, then we configure Nginx, and then we install some protection tools. So what's more here? Here we have Couchbox JSON, which is Couchbox config. It's gonna be written into CouchDB config because Couchbox lives on top of CouchDB and CouchDB config. So and here it is default design document which will be put into database Couchbox, which will be created under name design demo. This demo design document just illustrates our installation was successful. So after we install everything, we're gonna type something like localhost index and see what happens. Let's see what design document is. So our API endpoint grabs index requests, and it must send us JSON. Welcome to Couchbox. We'll see how it works. So how we are doing? Well, that's okay. Now sendmail is trying to mount some databases and domains. We do not have both, so it will take a little. Oh, nice. So you see we now installing Couchbox using npm. There are a lot of libraries, and npm is extremely hungry in terms of memory used. So I'm now running on the system having 2 gigabytes of RAM, because if I run at 1 gigabyte system, I may fail. I think we have finished. Let's have a look. Does it work? Oh, it works. So now we have CouchDB installed, localhost 984 utils. Oh, we see CouchDB admin interface. So we're gonna now install Photon. We are logging in. X1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not. We're now logged in. We go to replicate DB and we're gonna create new document which will replicate Photon. That is CouchDB management panel. It's a little bit more comfortable than Photon, so I'll install it as well as possible. Oh, seems everything works. So we now run Photon and we have a pretty nice CouchDB admin interface. So let us see how CouchDB config looks. Oh, how I like Linux, may I say. We now have, you see, Couchbox section, which is pretty large. Here we have some info. We've got one endpoint, our localhost root points to Couchbox demo design document, and have several methods available inside. That is, let us see our design document. You see, it has one AP endpoint index, which has only one action inside, return code 200 with JSON, what we just seen. It's Couchbox working. So I think that is now all.